Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today, I'm going to be focusing on spring cleaning. We are in March. I have not deep cleaned anything in my home in a while. So I have the next 5 days off from work. So what better time to get things done than now? I have shared cleaning routine videos and other clean with me's of my office. I'll link those below for you guys to check out. But I am not even going to be putting a list in my planner. My planner that I use is a half-letter Discbound system. Full details in the description box. I'm doing pen to paper. I'm going to decorate these pages because why not? This is just a regular blank list pad, and I'm going to make one for each room that I want to tackle. Yep. Each room. That's what I'm going to do. All the things that I want to get done. So I'm going to start with the top level, which is my bedroom and my office, and then work my way down. So I'm also going to pull in, where's my stickers? I'm also going to pull in these cleaning stickers from the household sticker book from Happy Planner. So that's that. So let's start with the third floor, like I said. Have my mild liner here. Okay, so the third floor, the second floor, and then there's the main floor. All right. I'm not going to go too sticker crazy, but I can't be the only one that likes to look at cute stuff when I'm cleaning. So my little reference list here. So this sticker book, which I've done a flip of before, and you guys have probably seen this if you are familiar with Happy Planner stickers. It has all these clear icons, which I'm going to be using. And I'm also going to be using these to clean ones here. So starting with the third floor would be my bedroom. So I'm going to use this to clean sticker and just put bedroom. I need to vacuum my floor, which I've been pushing that off for a while. So I need to vacuum. I also need to change my bed sheets. Well, wash and change my bed sheets. I need to also my comforter. Everything just needs to be washed. Then I have major with the laundry, plus folding. I need to clean out my closet, which I do all the time. If I haven't worn it in a while, then I just poof, be gone. It's gone. So clean out my closet, and then I need to organize my shoes. And then I need to both of these need to be decluttered. So those three are gonna fall in the same realm. And then I need to clean my dresser. And then wipe down all surfaces. And then the last thing I need to do is clean under my bed. Yep. So that's everything I need to do in my bedroom. Trying to think, is there anything else? Nope. So that's it for my bedroom. Next up is my office. And my office is pretty clean, which is good. So I need to vacuum in here. I also need to do the donate pile. I need to clean my desk. And then I also need to donate a bag of books. I'm not sure where those are gonna go. And then I also need to recycle old laptop. So that needs to happen, plus ink cartridges. What else in this office needs to find home for lights? And that's about it. I'm gonna add that here as well. So that is it for my bedroom and office. Now for the second floor, we see there's the guest room and the bathroom. Which I also need to vacuum. I need to clean out the closet, donation items. Need to make the beds, clean the drawers, clean all surfaces. It's kind of like my bedroom. My aunt is coming to town in a few weeks, so I start getting this done now. It'll be good. I need to wash the towels. What else do I need to do in the guest room? It's really the donation items and this right here, the declutter, that needs to happen. And then that's about it for the guest room. Oh, and then that's that. So then my bathroom, which is getting a deep clean. I don't know why I put it like that. Deep clean. So, well, I'm gonna do it like this. What needs to be deep cleaned? The shower, toilet, sink. I also need to wash the rugs, clean Clean all surfaces. Recycle products no longer using. And I have this rack, clean rack. Okay. Need to clean under the sink. And then trying to think, is there anything else that I have going on? All right. So that is the second floor done. Now the main floor, there's 3 rooms that I have to clean. First, it's not even 3 rooms. The main floor is the main floor. There's the entryway, there's the kitchen, living room, and dining room. So I'm gonna start with the entryway. All right, so for the entryway, I just need to, of course, vacuum, organize shoes, put away coats, and make sure that the stairs are clear. And then I need to fix the hooks, the wall. Okay. So that's the entryway. Then there's, I should have some more to clean stickers in here, and I do. I think I have a few more. Oh man. I'll make it work. So, then we have the living room, which is gonna get a vacuum as well. Need to recycle magazines, wash throw blankets, and then clean. All right, so that's the living room. Then we have the dining room, which of course is also getting vacuum. My grandmother has a lot of plants, so I need to clean around her plants. And then I also need to clear the dining table. And that's about it for the dining room. Pretty simple. Then what's getting a deep clean is the kitchen. Oh, I forgot to put here that I need to vacuum and mop the bathroom, duh, obviously. So the living room is also going to get mopped as well. I have hardwood in my living room. The dining room, there's a rug, so that's fine. Okay, so the kitchen, vacuum, plus mop, clean top of fridge, plus deep freezer. Need to clean my microwave. I also need to clean the sink. And my cabinets need a major declutter. Like Tupperware we're no longer using, and all that stuff needs to go bye-bye. So that is my list of what I have going on my main floor, my second floor, and my third floor. Again, I'm going to be off work for 5 days, 3 of those being weekdays. So the next part is going to be, now that I have my list done, is delegating what days I'm going to get everything done. So if you guys would like to see that, I'll add in a bonus video of what I have going on with all of this. So yeah. So that's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. My weekends, I don't like to clean a lot, so I'm using the days that I'm going to be home, Thursday and Friday, to really get a lot of this done. So I'll be adding in another video this week to share with you guys how I'll be tackling that. If you guys would like to see it, leave a comment below. Feel free to leave any other questions and suggestions on your tips of spring cleaning in the comments section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have related videos, products featured, and of course the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification button. Would love to have you a part of the Chaotic Critic fam. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.